We are constantly looking for ways to innovate, to change, to grow.
And HighJump stood out a lot of it because of their development platform.
One of the deciding factors of going with HighJump was price, but mostly it was the flexibility of the software.
Part of the selection criteria that we had for selecting HighJump was the ability to go in and basically maintain it and do modifications ourselves.
If you look through our facility, we have dashboards all over the place showing live data to show the health of the business. And everyone feels more empowered to be able to change it if it's not right, to suggest improvements. And we have the power to make those improvements.
Some of the efficiencies that we've seen have allowed us to go up 1 piece per hour per individual in the past year. That's a big number for us when you talk about a sofa or a dresser or something like that. We haven't reduced our labor. We've actually been able to grow without increasing our labor.
The improvements we see mostly are with things like put away. When we receive products from our vendors, receiving large loads, not having to guess or find a place to put it, it automatically tells us where it goes. Even though we still do full inventories twice a year, our full inventories take a lot less time and the numbers are a lot more accurate because of the cycle count functionality.
HighJump software has impacted our bottom line in that we've been able to use one consistent system across the entire organization. Again, between Europe and the United States, Canada, we have one system. We can implement it quickly and easily. We've gotten to a point where we can add a HighJump location in just a day or two.
Our partnership with HighJump is really important to us. We have a real vested interest in HighJump remaining successful, innovating their product, and then working with us. We trade ideas. We talk to, we think it's really important and interesting to talk to prospective customers and existing customers.
Partnership back and forth is what really makes HighJump successful for us.
Just to be able to know that you can talk to the people and they will listen to you, and then they'll take it back, discuss it, and if it's a good idea, they'll not only work with you to get it done, but they'll potentially, like they did with cycle counting, is put it back into the base product.
We have the same team working with our group, knowing what our issues are, knowing what our business is, knowing our legacy system and the nuances of that as well. So when we call for support, or we call, the right people get notified, and we get called back very quickly.
The good thing about being a HighJump customer is the vast support structure that you have, not only with support from your project team, but you've got others that you can call on that help you when things go wrong, as well as you have that constant contact with the different people in the different areas of HighJump.
I would certainly recommend HighJump for anyone looking for a WMS. Again, the flexibility of the software, the ability to customize while staying on an upgrade path is enormous. The support staff, the knowledge within HighJump has been very helpful.
Normally you're racing with your competitors and trying to match their features, and they're trying to match your features. And we've gotten to a point that with our continuous improvement, we're not even looking in the rearview mirror anymore at our competitors. We've completely differentiated ourselves.
It's a good company to work with. The software is flexible enough that we can make our own modifications, unlike some of your competitors where you're spending a lot of money to make simple changes. We like that about it. The programmers and staff like that it's, the back end is very easy to work with, and we've had a lot of good success with the software.